Colombian Handicraft. The handicrafts basically comprise works made by hand and with little intervention of machinery, usually decorative objects or objects of common use. Persons engaged in this activity are called artisans. Normally, these handicrafts are a representation of the great cultural variety of our country, a fact that makes them more striking in addition to their different use, diversity of colors, originality, and because they are generally unique and unrepeatable pieces. Brand, price, and characteristics. Brand. It's very important to define a brand to identify our products. Price. The price will be defined according to the type of product and cost and expenses that it will generate in this its commercialization. Characteristics. Ethnic belonging. The departments where there is a higher percentage of people engaged in handicraft activities and who recognize themselves as indigenous art, Amazonas, Guajira, Chocó, and Córdoba. Methods of learning the craft and trades. It is evident that most of the artisans learned their craft through family transmission, which reveals the traditional and cultural character of the craft and trades. Marketing. 76.8% of the craft people say that most of their sales are made directly to the final consumer. 21.6% through intermediaries. 8.3% through association and 7.4% through point of sale. Distribution channel. We consider that the best channel distribution for our products is the wholesale channel. Key of distribution strategy. We consider that the best strategy of distribution for our product is the selective strategy. Thanks.